Dear students, good morning. Let us see the problem on the Proell curve. In the last class, we have derived the expression for it of the Proell governor. Okay. Before solving the problem, once go through this. Okay, we'll get better clarity. See the problem. The Proell governor has equal arms. Okay, equal arms of length 300 mm. See here. These are the arms. 300 mm. That means they're given the P2F, P2F, and D2F. That is 300 mm. The upper and lower ends of the arms. The upper and lower ends of the arms are pivoted on the axis of the governor. Okay. Here, upper arms and lower arms pivoted on the axis of the governor. Okay, this is the pivoted on the axis. This is the upper arm and this is the lower arm. Pivoted at point P and D. This is the axis. Okay. The extension arms of the lower links are each 80 mm long. Each 80 mm long. These are the extension arms. Okay, parallel to the axis. Extension arms. Each both are 80. Here 80, and this is the 80 sides. And parallel to the axis. Both are in parallel to the axis. And the radii of rotation of the balls are 150 mm and 200 mm. This is the R value, radius of rotation. Okay, that is, this is the R1 and this is R2 from center axis to ball. This is the radius of rotation. Okay, R1 and R2. And similarly, they're given the extension arms, that is from point to B to point F. Okay, that is the B to F resistance is 80, B to F 80 mm. And then the mass of each ball is 10 kg. Here, the mass of the ball is 10 kg, that is small m. And the mass of the central load is 100 kg. Here we have a central load, it is capital W, that is Earth for half of the LU for the up portion, that is mg by 2 or W by 2. With here mass is the 100 kg. Determine the range of speed of the governor. Okay, determine the range of the speed of the governor. So here you have to find out that range. That means n2 minus n1 range. Here you have to find out the n value for minimum position and maximum position. Okay, that is. This is the. So this is the data. This is the figures. Let's see. First of all, you have to find out the n1 and n2. So let us take n1 is the minimum speed at radius r1, and similarly n2 is the maximum speed. Okay. Here, as you know, this is the formula for the n1 scale, the Proell curve. So in this, first you have to find out the h1 value, that is the height of the curve. So for that, here you know already this GF value and PF value. Okay, so you can simplify out the h1 value by using the Pythagoras theory. Okay, then h1 is equal to pg is equal to root of pf square minus pg square. That is my root of 300 square minus 150 square. We will get 260 mm. That is 0.6 meters. You have to divide with 1000 to convert into meters. Okay. Similarly, in this formula, okay, you have to find fm value and pm value. So for that, let us take fm here. As you know here, from f to m, distance is equal to FTM is equal to G to D, GD. Here GD is equal to PG because the both angles are same. They are not mentioned anything. So you have to take directly. You have to neglect obliquity of forms. That means alpha is equal to beta. Okay. That means PG is equal to GD. Okay. So as you know already, find the PG value. That means its value. So equal to FM value. That is 0.26 meters. Similarly, you have to find VM value. V2M value means you have to take the V2 F distance and F2 M distance. That is this one 80 plus this value is 260. This is FM. And you will get 340 mm. That is 0.34 meters. Okay, now you can easily find out the N1 scale because you know all the values. So substitute FM value and VM and small m and capital M and HN value. Then you will get the answer. See, FM is the 0.26 and VM is the 0.34 and small m is the 10 kg and capital M is the 100 and H1 is the 0.26. After substitution, you will get the N1 is 170 RPM. Okay. Similarly, let us see for the maximum position. So for the maximum position. So here we have formula N2 scale is equal to Fm by Vm, M plus M by M, 895 by H2. Similar formula. Okay, in place of N2, okay. In place of N1 we have N2 and here we have H2 in place of H1. Next. So here we are first in this we have H2 value. Okay. So take H2 is equal to C. That is PG equal to root of PF square minus FG square. That is PF square minus FG square. So you know 300 and 200. Then you will get the H2 value 0.224 meters. Similarly, you want to find out FM value and PM value. Okay, as I told earlier, here FM from F to M distance is equal to GD, GD is equal to PG, that is H2. Okay, 0.224 meters. Similarly, VM, here we have to substitute. That is V to F distance plus F to M, that is 80 plus 224, 0.304, 304 meters. Then you have to substitute in this equation. Then you will get the N2 value. But they're asking find out the range of the speed, that is N2 minus N1. Okay, 180 minus 170, 10 RPM. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, like that. Okay, just you have to remember the formula, then you can easily solve the problem. Okay.